So I guess some of our audiences may not very familiar with the PSTI Act. So how about let's start, from sharing some background information first.
Okay, no problem. The PSTI Act is divided in two parts. The first part of PSTI creates a new regulatory regime to improve the safety of consumer-connected devices. The second part deals with the deployment and expansion of mobile network devices in the UK. So here comes our first question. How does it affect our business in the UK market? Basically, as long as you are selling connected products in the UK market, you are in the scope of this act, which means, compared to before, you need to submit a compliance declaration for your product to the authorities, and then your product may be subject to spot checks after entering the market, and it's possible to read the fines and remove the servers if not complied with the regulations. In addition, because the regulation also requires the responsibilities of channels, brands will require to provide proof of compliance in the future. Such as B&Q requires brand to provide a statement of compliance and a test report based on the two to take cooperation.
Okay, so you just mentioned that as long as the IoT products sold in the UK market, they're within the scope of the Act, right? So is this the official statement from the UK government? Or could you give us more information from this part?
Yes, of course. Actually, the authorities has clarified the products connected to the internet are regulated by the PSTI Act and list some typical products in the scope of phishing to help you understanding. You can look at this chart. For example, network cameras, smart door, locks and alarm systems, network switches, smart home appliances, and so on. And Tuya had consulted the UK government and the industry inside. Currently, we can provide you a simple criteria to judge whether product on the PSTI Act regulator. If product directly connected to the internet guarantees the IP address after use, it's in the regulatory scope of the PSTI, no matter what kind of communications, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee. At the same time, products subject to other regulatory actors may also choose not to be certified for compliance by PSTI, for example, healthcare monitoring, smart meters, or electrical vehicles. In addition, products sold in the North Ireland are also not covered by the PSTI Act.
Okay, so I see. In summary, except for these healthcare monitoring products, smart meters, or vehicles, any other products that's connected to the internet or generates IP addresses, they need to be compliant and certified, right?
Yes, correct. And some of our clients also asked if compliance can be achieved through the module certification instead of product certifications. So as you know, Tuya, as a part of client's supply chain, we should make some action. Clients can check our PSTI statement on our official website, but for these questions, answer is no. From the technical perspective, Tuya provides modules and SDK services, but there will be a varying degrees of difference when applied to final form products. This difference will ultimately determine whether the product is compliant or not. However, in the future, Tuya will provide PSTI certifications for finished product clients. Please follow the Tuya's official website for updates. Currently, Tuya does not provide PSTI certifications for module clients. In addition, from a legal perspective, Tuya is not obligated to assume legal risk for clients' finished products.
Okay, so, and considering that there will be various differences in the final form of the product, the difficulty of compliance is also different, right? And does the use of module or software development solutions from different companies also affect the final results?
Yes, products that utilize Tuya modules and developed by Tuya SDK have the highest probabilities of passing PSTI certification with the least difficulty in rectification and the shortest test time. For clients who use the Tuya SDK, it may take a longer time. Products developed entirely by the third parties are the most challenging. requiring a case-by-case assessment.
Okay, this PSTI Act is enforced, and also the details of the 3 key requirements for us to meet, right? So I assume there are also some, punitive measures from the UK government. Would you explain more from this part?
Yes, and we all know the PSTI Act is a new act. There are no punishment case yet, but we can refer examples of European Union cybersecurity. For non-compliance, brand face fines of up to £10 million or 400% global revenue, plus ongoing fines of £20,000 per day.